Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Review Scout, your trusted place for discovering powerful digital tools that actually deliver. Today's review might just be one of the most useful and time-saving platforms I've seen in a long time. If you ever felt stuck with limited design options, endless subscription bills, and the hassle of logging into multiple tools just to get a simple image made, then this is going to be a real eye-opener. We're talking about a tool that breaks all those limitations. It's called ImagioAI, and once you see what it does, you may never look at traditional design the same way again. So what is ImagioAI? At its core, it's a complete visual content creation suite that brings together the world's top 15 plus AI design platforms, all into one easy, no-subscription dashboard. Imagine having access to the power of Midjourney, DALL, Firefly, Ghibli, and more without ever needing to pay them individually. And the best part, it's all available with a single one-time payment. No monthly fees, no credit limits, no surprise charges. You get everything you need in one place, forever. Now that's huge, because if you're like most creators, entrepreneurs, or digital marketers, you've probably been paying for tools that eat away at your budget each month. You start with Canva, then you add something like Midjourney for AI-generated art, maybe photo for editing, and before you know it, you're spending hundreds of dollars a year just to get the visuals your brand or business needs. With ImagioAI, you can stop that spending cycle for good. This tool was clearly built with real users in mind. Whether you're running a small business, managing social media, working with clients, or simply growing a personal brand, ImagioAI puts you in full control of your visual content. You don't need to hire freelancers. You don't need to know design. You don't even need to learn how to use complex software. You just enter your idea, click a few buttons, and let the AI generate high-quality visuals in seconds. From social media graphics and ad creatives to logos, mockups, and animated content, it can handle it all. And here's what really makes it stand out. There's zero learning curve. Unlike other design tools that make you spend hours watching tutorials, ImagioAI simplifies the entire process. Everything is intuitive. You won't be stuck trying to figure out where things are or how to format your prompts. Just open it up and start creating. One of the things that blew me away about this platform is how versatile it is. Let's say you want to remove a background from an image. It does it instantly. Need to upscale a blurry photo? Done. Want to turn a product image into a polished, professional mock-up with a clean background and enhanced details? No problem. You can even animate characters, restore damaged images, or generate branded content using nothing but a few clicks. Now let's talk business, because ImagioAI isn't just about creating visuals for fun. It's a tool that can actually make you money. With full commercial rights included, you can use everything you create for client projects, resell them on freelance platforms, or offer your services locally. You could be creating YouTube thumbnails, ebook covers, product designs, or ad banners, and charging for them, all without needing any design background. That's powerful. Think about how much time and money that saves. You're not waiting days for freelancers to respond. You're not going back and forth on revisions. And you're not getting hit with monthly subscription bills for tools you barely use. With ImagioAI, once you own it, it's yours. No strings attached and no expiration dates. And that level of ownership is rare in today's digital world. Plus, the image engines behind ImagioAI are the same ones powering top creative agencies and global brands. We're talking about serious AI technology here, not watered-down versions. You're getting access to the real deal, DALL 3, Stable Diffusion, Leonardo AI, and more, all baked into one seamless system. No need to manage multiple logins or juggle credits across platforms. It's all unified and ready when you are. What I especially appreciate is how the platform was designed with scalability in mind. Whether you're a beginner who's never designed a thing in your life, or an experienced marketer looking for speed and convenience, ImagioAI adjusts to your level. It lets you create more, faster, and with better results without technical frustration. Another underrated feature is peace of mind. Once you create your visual assets with ImagioAI, they're yours to keep. There's no fear of losing access if you miss a payment. Unlike other platforms where your work disappears after your subscription ends, here you own what you create. That's important, especially if you're building a content library or designing visuals for long-term branding projects. Now, I know many of you watching have been down this road before. You sign up for tools that promise the world, only to find out they charge extra for basic features or make it impossible to cancel. You get stuck in billing loops, hit with surprise fees, or worse, you lose all your work when you try to leave. ImagioAI is the complete opposite. It's transparent, affordable, and it puts you in the driver's seat. And here's another cool thing. The range of styles you can create is incredible. You can go from clean, professional corporate graphics to playful cartoon-style doodles, elegant hand-drawn sketches, or abstract art for premium brand vibes. You want Ghibli-style visuals with that emotional charm? You got it. You want social posts that actually grab attention? That's easy. The platform even gives you tools to enhance image quality, add custom branding, and adjust lighting, all in just a few clicks. So whether you're creating content for Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or your own website, you'll have what you need to compete with top-level visuals. And the best part, you won't need to outsource or overpay to get them. Now imagine where this could take your brand. With unlimited creative freedom and full ownership of your visuals, you're no longer waiting on anyone. You're not dependent on external platforms. You're not limited by technical skills. You're free to create on your terms and build something real. And look, at $14 one time, this isn't even a risky investment. They also back it with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if for any reason it doesn't fit your needs, you're protected. That alone makes it a no-brainer in my book. Let's not forget, we're in a time where content is king. Visual content especially. The difference between someone scrolling past and someone clicking is the quality of the image. If your visuals don't stand out, you're already behind. ImagioAI puts you ahead, giving you the power to produce top-tier visuals without a team or a budget. Whether you're just getting started online or you're scaling an agency, this tool is a game changer. And if you're serious about growth, visibility, and cutting through the noise, this is one of those rare tools that will give you a real advantage. Alright, that's it for this review. If you're ready to explore ImagioAI and unlock the power of visual creation without limits, check the link in the description. Thank you for watching the Review Scout, where we bring you real reviews, real results, and tools that make your life easier. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you never miss a new recommendation. Until next time, stay creative and keep growing.